Where the hell am I? Blizzard? Grant? God? Good God. I remember now. We were bombed and blown up. It all happened so fast. Pow, kaboom, everything obliterated. The force of the blast must have launched me to wherever I am now. I do recall getting thrown into the air and hurtling through the skies for miles and miles and miles and miles and miles. It was actually kind of weird how long it went on. Then I must have blacked out at some point. I gotta take a piss. Good God. The trees, the sun, the rocks. Nature is so beautiful in its way. Why the hell am I still here? Why am I still alive? Life is so pointless. So full of darkness and pain and suffering. The last few months have been pure torture. But I'm still here. Despite everything, something compels me to keep going. But what is it? What gives life meaning anyway? What motivates me to keep moving forward? Why the hell should I keep on living at all? I should go find the others. If any of them even survived. I wonder where Blizzard is right now.
What in the holy, ever-living, koala climbing, octopus snorting, gas huffing, pot smoking, book reading, camel clambering, tree trunking, butt chugging, bat bonking, boot licking, friggity fraggity, swiggity swaggity, frick frap floppity, flagellating, swagulating, jim jom jammering, office building is going on here?
It's understandable to be confused, little one.
Confused? I am not confused. I am flabbergasted, dumbfounded, mind equals blown. I have graced the earth with my presence for 31 long years of life. I have traveled to 7 continents, played approximately 467 video games, fought in 3 world wars, visited every country, tried every pizza topping, drank every flavor of Gatorade, ingested all 175 flavors of Pringles, climbed 24 mountains, met 75 presidents, and slept with over 300 women and 5 guys. And yet, after over 3 decades of my glorious existence, this may very well be the most radical bullshit I have ever witnessed. I repeateth my question. What in the name of Joe Biden's failing frontal lobe is going on here?
You shall learn soon enough. Blizzard H'.
Good God, that illustrious and enchanting voice, those bulging muscles under those splendid blue scales, the head sculpt, the anatomical accuracy, the impeccable paintwork, the perfectly engineered articulation. Are you God?
Why, yes, we are the gods of your reality. the beasts of the Mesozoic Ceratopsians. Available at creativebeast.com/shop. I am Robert, god of blue raspberry.
Robert, god of blue raspberry. What's that one's name, huh? Regina, god of the evergreens?
Don't be ridiculous. What are the odds that two of us would have such absurd-sounding names?
I guess you're right. I mean, really, what are the odds that—
I was kidding! Her name is indeed Regina, god of the evergreens.
I am deadass Regina, god of the evergreen.
I have 0 words for the information with which you have provided me, and I may or may not be traumatized.
Would you mind if I introduced you to my companions?
Wait, like all of them?
Starting on my right.
Oh boy.
You've already met Regina, but beyond her we have Deborah, the god of Wisconsin.
Go Packers!
Okay, that one's a little weird.
Next we have Tandy, the god of subatomic sexual advance.
All right.
It truly was a Shawshank Redemption. Beyond them is Angela, god of professional scuba diving pizza delivery. Jeremy, the god of Olive Garden and polar bears. Cornelius, god of seeing, touching, and feeding. And Quandale, the god of unharmful inconvenience.
Oi, mate, I popped your bike tires.
Man, you guys all like the hard drugs.
To my left, we have David, the god of reviews.
Damn, David, good shit.
And Aiden, the god of David.
Heh, cringe.
To their left, we have Jod, god of religion.
Just like all of it.
You want to talk about your Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ?
No, thank you.
That's okay. We have like 700 other options for you.
Yeah, I think I'm good with 0, to be honest.
We have coupons.
I don't really care.
I could get you so many coupons.
Next, we have Bethany, the god of anti-ocean warfare.
Okay, that one has to be a joke.
The Atlantic shall be drained, the Pacific evaporated, the tyranny of the ocean shall crumble, the whale shall bend the knee. You think my cause is a joke? Then join the fishes and be destroyed.
How in the friggity-fraggity Shake Shack do you plan on defeating the literal entire ocean in battle?
Volcanoes!
That is one of the most brilliant things I have ever heard in my life.
The fishes will sleep in the skies!
Next, we have John, the god of smithing.
John, the god of smithing. Got it.
And we have Smith, the god of jawning.
Smith, the god of jawning. Very nice.
And Grinder. He eats bones.
All right, got it. Grinder, he eats bones. Actually, I'm sorry. Could you repeat that last one?
I'm Grinder. I eat bones.
I now know what the opposite of an erection feels like.
Do you like bones?
Nope, hate them. Don't got none.
Well, with all that done and dry, let's get on with business. Blizzard, I assume by now you know why you're here.
Jury duty? My car's extended warranty? I'm getting sued?
No. You're here because you're dead.
No, I'm not.
Oh, yes, you are. You're mega dead. Dead as fuck. Dead as a doornail. Few have been as dead as you.
Nuh-uh.
I can confirm you are embarrassingly dead.
Well, at least I'll look handsome in my open casket.
Oh no, you were blown to smithereens.
Smithereens?
Yes, blown to bits. Loads of tiny pieces. Just flesh and feathers everywhere. Genuinely revolting stuff.
Well, at least Grant was blown to smaller pieces?
Afraid not. You were the only one blown apart by the explosion. Those bombs had a pitiful blast radius. They just happened to have hit you directly in the ass.
Not Not my beautiful ass!
Yes, right between those scaly, supple cheeks.
Dear Lord, I thought I felt something poking at my crack, but I just figured it was Silas finally realizing how attractive I am.
You should also know that despite the limited blast radius of the bombs, they may have been enchanted with knockback, because they did launch your skinny depressed friend several miles into the stratosphere.
Silas, no!
Not to worry. If he were dead, he'd be standing here before us alongside yourself.
Oh, thank goodness. So he's gonna be okay.
Well, he's, alive. He could be suffering horribly. I don't know.
You, God!
Just Robert is fine. No need to be formal.
Okay, let us not wasteth any more of my precious time. Let's get on with my resurrection, then.
Oh, this guy's killing me. Oh, what a funny guy. What a silly guy. You really, you gotta appreciate that sense of humor.
What?
Blizzard, we can't just give a free resurrection to anyone who wants one.
Well then, it's a good thing I'm not just anyone.
Ooh, I like the sass.
My name is Blizzard H', the most glorious, most splendiferous, most unbelievably sexy and charismatic individual in all of the universe. A being that scientists and experts around the world have all agreed is the perfect and most ultimate form of life. The epitome of awesome. The pinnacle of all that is good and holy. It would be absolute patented absurdity not to resurrect me. I'm the main character, goddammit! And you are not killing me off!
Main character? Funny how you talk as though you're in a TV show.
Well, obviously it's not a TV show. It's a hit YouTube series by popular online content creator BionicleSaurus. Duh!
How does he know that? He's not supposed to know that.
It says here an exception has been made since he's the protagonist.
Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Well, since we can talk about it, congratulations on that up in production quality these past few episodes. Though it's a shame our views aren't quite what they used to be.
If we wanted views, we'd still be making Dinosaur Island. tOdi is a passion project through and through.
Very respectable. And what a fun project it has been.
Yeah, except for episode 2.
Forgive me, it's been literal years. What happened in episode 2?
That stupid idiot Grant came back to life.
That is most unfortunate.
I know, right? And on Easter, no less. Jesus Christ. Who does that man think he is?
Well, I'm sure besides that, it was a great episode.
Actually, there was also some somewhat sketchy political humor in that episode that hasn't necessarily aged so well.
I'm sure it can't be that bad.
I mean, we may or may not have made a joke comparing all queer people to literal zombies, werewolves, and vampires.
Oh, fucking shitballs, that aged like milk.
What can I say? It was 2018. Making fun of minorities was still cool.
Well, seeing as you are the main character of this series, I've decided I will grant you your resurrection.
Oh, thank God.
Again, just Robert is fine.
Alrighty. Well, how do we do this thing?
It's actually super easy. Barely an inconvenience. All you have to do is complete one incredibly simple challenge.
And what would that happen to BF?
You seem like a remarkably confident individual. But confidence always has the potential to come at the cost of humility. If you truly wish to return to the world of the living, you must admit to having one flaw.
Yeah, okay, sure, just one small problem. That's literally impossible. I mean, come on! Have you seen me? Women want me. Men also want me. Obama tried to kill me and failed.
Use your friends for guidance. What are some of their flaws?
Well, I can think of a few, that's for sure. That stupid, dumbass Grant is utterly incompetent, useless, and even racist. I've heard him ranting about those poor Site B immigrants in his sleep. That man has no morals. And don't even get me started on Razor, that absolute creep. God, he's so evil, and bad, and horrible, and bad, and even evil. And would you believe, despite everything, he's both bad and evil. Thank goodness he finally shut up.
He shut up?
Yeah, it was really weird. A couple episodes ago, he just stopped talking. Completely mute. What a weirdo, am I right?
Describe your interactions with him before he became a mute.
You know, pretty normal stuff. He'd open his mouth, I'd bully him into silence.
You'd what now?
I'd bully him into Wait. You don't think...
And where is Razor now, Blizzard?
Oh, I killed him.
Wait, what the fuck? Are you serious?
Well, yeah. There were armed guards, I needed a shield, Razor was there.
That is unhinged as shit. I don't even remember this guy dying, I gotta be honest.
You were in a meeting, sir. He came in a few minutes after that weird Egyptian kid who wouldn't stop asking where his phone was.
Ah, gotcha. Well, Razor was a fairly major character, so I presume he at least received a most memorable death scene.
Actually, it happened between episodes. Pretty funny, right? Right?
You mean to tell me that you bullied an innocent man into silence and then murdered him? Off screen?
Well, when you put it like that, I sound like a total dickhead.
I ought to send you to hell!
Oh, God! Robert!
Sir, we're supposed to be resurrecting him.
Oh, shoot, of course. Silly me, I forgot what we were doing. Haha, good old Robert. Total airhead. Alrighty, Blizzard, you've admitted you're a bit of a dick. Enjoy your second chance at life.
Cool. Yeah. Will do. I'm so happy I get to return to the world of the living, now burdened with the sudden and all-consuming realization that I'm kind of an asshole. Jeez, have I always been this bad? I have to find the others. Oh God! Oh God! Oh Robert! Oh Robert! Someone! Anyone! I need help here! I can't hang on much longer! Please! Anyone! Help! Help! Silas? Silas! Oh, good gravy and a friggity-fraggity meat grinder. I am so happy to see you.
Blizzard? Holy shit! How did you even get into this situation?
Now's not the time for your judgment, you early Jurassic stick man. I could seriously use some assistance here.
All right. Give me a second.
Silas, I've realized the truth. Why it's so hard for me to get along with others.
That's great. Now hold on.
Silas, it was so obvious. The problem was me all along. This whole time, I never realized. I'm just a fucking asshole.
Holy shit! That is a shocking level of self-awareness.
I know, right? Feels weird.
Well, funny enough, I've had my own little epiphany as well. These past few weeks, I've found myself close to giving up so many times. But for some reason, I always find a reason to keep going. Then it dawned on me. It's you, Blizzard, and all the rest of our stupid friends. I may not give a shit about myself, but my friends, they're all I have. And despite the fact you all drive me crazy, you're what brings me meaning in life.
Good God, this is so beautiful and wholesome. We should kiss.
Blizzard, I gotta be honest, I just don't really feel that way about you.
Yeah, okay, I'm sorry. I might have gone a little far on that one.
Blizzard! Silas! You're both okay!
Cryo! Have you seen the others? Did anyone else survive?
Hey, yeah, someone else must have survived. According to God, the bombs had a pitiful blast radius.
According to who now?
The good news is, all your friends survived the explosion. The bad news is, well, you better come with me.
Stop it! Stop it right now, or I swear to the great Juju at the bottom of the sea!
Your friends have been captured! There! I said it! God, sorry, I just don't normally disclose information in such a blunt way.
Well, get used to it. This is real life, and we don't have time for your drama.
Yeah, take your drama back to whatever third-rate soap opera you came from, you friggin' turd.
Now, what's this about our friends getting captured?
I'm so sorry. Dark Claw and his men. They've taken Nigel, Jane, Grant, Katie, and Hammer as captives. It never should have come to this. I should have done more. I could have done more. I know you should never give up hope, but by God, if ever there was a time...
Hey, you!
Me?
Yeah, you! Shut the fuck up! I did not come all this way, go through goddamned hell and back, just to knuckle under and tuck my tail between my legs like some filthy fucking coward! I'm not a coward, not anymore! I'm done praying for death, because life is the only thing worth saving. I've been through the ringer and back these past few weeks, and I'm not giving up now! Not for anybody! I don't care what the odds are. I don't care that some unimaginably powerful organization is preparing to unleash cosmic horrors beyond my comprehension to destroy reality itself. I don't care, you got that? Now, let's go save our friends.
Holy shit, I am so turned on right now.
You know what, Silas? You're goddamn right.
Yeah, it's time to fight these friggity-fraggity, fornicating, zebra-snorting, noodle-extruding trash dumpers with our bare hands.
Let's go show these godforsaken bastards what we're made of.